Today is Wednesday. We are here at Edith Moore Nature Sanctuary again. This is one of the trails that's not showing as completed on my app. So we are redoing this again today. It's a little bit sprinkly, but that's okay. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Come on, sweetie. I just have my blue day pack on today, and I only have with me Miss Pebbles. Look here, Miss Pebbles. There she is. She's got her long sleeve pink shirt and her light jacket, and she has Sky and Tracy. Come on, let's see Sky and Tracy. Yes, Sky and Tracy. They have become good friends. Okay, come on, baby. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Oh, let me show you myself. Wearing my white shirt and my blue crazy pants. I don't know if you saw that. I'm not wearing any gaiters. It's fine. I don't need it right now. We want to go down here and show you the water real quick. Well, there's not really any water, but you know, come on, babe. Let's go this way, okay? Did you see my day pack? We've got our jackets on right now, so you see, it's just a blue day pack. Come on, babe. And we just have food and stuff in it. It's not that loaded down. Oh, here's the water. Yeah, this wooden thing here, so we can't really get closer. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Afraid I don't have it. Oh, yeah, look, there you go. Wow, oops. I don't have it. Okay, come on, babe. Let's go this way. Oh, there's a bridge there. There are a lot of bridges here. I'm not going to video. Look at all that. Look at that path over there. Isn't that cool? I'm not going to video like the whole thing, the whole park, because I did that last time. It was so cool. She's like, let's get going. Okay, come on, sweetie. And you'll be able to check my stats, my mileage on Facebook later. So I do have this recording on my All Trails app. Oh, let's go see if we can see some turtles. Look, here's where the turtles are. The water is like way up right here. You want to go on that bridge? I don't see any turtles right now. Careful, baby. Look at that strange root. It's red on top. know there are a lot of turtles here. I just don't see them right now. Okay, let's go this way. This way, baby. But I said let's go this way, and you said okay. Okay, you want to go this way? Okay, I guess we can go this way. Oh, the water's really close to the bridge.
We almost got the bridge. Almost got the bridge.
Uh-oh.
It's really, really pretty.
Ooh, it's squishy right there. I think last time we came out and did this, we walked like 2 miles. So it's not really for the mileage. Okay, let's keep going this way, sweetie. Let's go this way. Is that a turtle? No. This way. You just came from that way. Oh my goodness. We're never going to get anywhere with this girl walking back and forth. But why do you want to go that way, baby? No.
Yeah.
This is where they have like all the little plants growing. Cute bricks. Cute brick pavement. They can have all of the plants growing there. Baby, you're taking us in circles.
Yeah, we can go at this circle. I like house. So we're not going that way. So we go this way. We're not going that way. So we go.
You're taking us back to the parking lot, baby.
Yeah. So we go this way to the house.
There's some little animals. Oh, there's a water fountain. You need to fill up on water. Oh, there's a squirrel. We saw a bunny over here last time. Wanna go this way? Oh my goodness, this baby. Ooh, there's a squirrel right there, sitting on the ledge. That last park we didn't see any squirrels or bunnies. There's too many wolves. The wolves took care of that. I don't know, baby. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Whoa.
She's feeding them.
Yeah, he's feeding them. I like that.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, he's killing them. Whoa.
Yeah. You see the iguanas? They're huge, aren't they?
Yeah. They have fruit.
Yeah.
But with the other one have.
I don't know, baby.
I have a deal. We can go to one around.
Oh,
Oh,
that's so nice.
that's so nice.
Oh.
I like holding her.
Ha ha ha.
I like holding her. Well,
Yeah.
be careful.
Ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Cute.
But we need to go this way to find more animals. Come on. Go.
To go this way? Oh, look.
Yes.
You can draw right there.
For animals.
Oh, that's the restroom. There's a pond. Come on, let's go walk, baby. Come on, let's go this way. You see the squirrel? You see it? He's big, isn't he? Don't chase him, don't chase him. Okay. Alright, that's it for now, guys. We're just wandering around. We'll get to the trail eventually. Alright, thank you for watching. Now we're on the other side. We were over there before. We just crossed the bridge. Came down this way. A little tricky, but there's a handrail. And there's water there. She's wanting to continue on. We're gonna go back that way and go up. This is a pretty cool spot. Looks like there's a trail down there. Alright, she wants me to go. Oh, she said she's gonna get mad at me. Oh my goodness. Alright, here we go. Last time we came, we didn't go this way. Be careful, ma'am. Want to hold my hand?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not gonna fall, okay?
Okay.
You need to hold my hands.
Yeah, you need to hold my hand.
And we need to get and then we need to get up to the hill. And we need to walk. So we need to walk.
She says we need to walk. There's another bridge right there. No, we didn't come this way last time. Oh, watch your step. Watch your roots. I think this is another lookout right here. You want to go that way? We're supposed to go this way. But just go over there and look. You want to go this way? You want to go this way first? Okay. I'm just kind of letting her guide us because we have time and it's not very long. The trail. Come on, babe. Go on this side, okay? Before you go down, because it's kind of tricky. Okay, go. I'm already down. Okay. Up the hill. Up the hill. Oh, what is that over there? Okay, let's stay on the path. There's a street. That's Memorial. Oh, there's a structure over there. Here, we can sit down over there and have our lunch. Okay, keep going, sweetie. These little berries. They're so pretty when they're red. Oh, interesting area. Here's some kind of structure. I'm not sure what it's for. Whew. Okay, I guess that's so you can get on here from the street. Come on, babe, let's go this way. Come on, don't mess with it, baby. Come on. Oh, here's the structure over here. It's pretty cool. You want to go sit down over here, baby?
Yes. Can we have mommy picnic?
Yeah, we can have a picnic.
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty cool. That's where we were a minute ago. Yeah, it won't be dry under this. This might be a perfect spot to have a picnic. Okay, go on in. Yeah, we're gonna make our lunch here, I think. Nice and dry, then we can continue on. Yeah, I think we're gonna sit here and make our lunch. The street's kind of loud. Oh, I'm not liking that, but we can sit here and have our lunch. Alright, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching.
Okay, can I see myself? I want to see myself.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, our lunch is boiling.
Yeah.
Having broccoli and cheese spirals, I believe.
And we make cornflakes and
Fire
cheese,
going.
and broccoli and juice, nuggets and cheese. Then we know that
There's the babies, Sky and Tracy. There's Miss Pebbles. Yay.
Hi.
We're inside the structure. She's running around acting all crazy. Inside here, Sky and Tracy are eating goldfish.
Yeah, we eating goldfish. Yeah. Hello, guys. Hello, my name is Dick.
What's her name?
My name is Tracy. My name is Tracy. My name is Sky. My name is Pebble.
Good job.
Yeah.
Alright, this is going to be ready soon, hopefully. And then we'll continue on the trail. That food bag looks like we packed a lot of food. See my crazy pants? Alright, thank you for watching. Miss Betty's Bower. Here's another structure. This is new. And these benches here. And I guess you could park at the church as well. This is new. And that sign was there last time, but all of this other stuff is new. Okay. Okay, we just came to a crossroads here. This is McGarver Trail. This is Creekside Trail. This way or this way? Okay, so which way do you think we should go? Which way do you guys think we should go? Still sprinkling. Says we're here somewhere.
Oh,
Talks about all the leaves. Okay, I think we should go this way. This
Yes,
one
go
is
this way.
bigger.
To the pool. We need to go that way to the pool.
Okay, sweetie, let's go this way.
Okay, with the tiger, don't stop a second the pool. The pool. But it's really
There's a trail going that way. It's a bench. Our lunch was really good. It had like whole pieces of broccoli in it. It's really good. Coming up on another bridge. Ooh! I wish I had brought my rain jacket that has a hood. And my jacket that's like the one she has on. It's kind of uncomfortable. My nose is running, and I forgot to bring my bandana that goes on the outside of my back. Yeah, well, I used it last time, so I took it out and washed it. And I lit it up and put it away. That's very nice. I have no bandana on my back. Alright, I think she wants to go this way. Yeah, I think we're supposed to go this way. There's this cabin. That's where we came from. So we're at a fork here. We can go that way or this way. But I think this is the right way to go. It says H right there. Alright, let's go this way, babe. No, we're looking at the map. It looks like we're supposed to go this way, so let's go this way.
No, not that way. That's for the babies.
This is probably going to make a loop and we're going to come back to here.
No, we need to go that way.
Let's go this way, babe. Come on, quickly.
That's not the same. No, we need to go that way.
That's where we came from. Alright, that's it for now. This is so cool. I don't know if you can tell. And then like right over there, the water's just still. And it comes down. That's a leaf right there. There's a lot of trash bags and stuff. There's a house up there. They're like on a little island. There's Outlook up there. Trail going back this way. Alright, that's it.